Yes, I'd like an upgrade to the penthouse suite, please. I've got silver elite status.
Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you take control of your life through personal development, smart money habits, and entrepreneurship. If those things sound good to you, then please let me know by clicking the like and subscribe buttons down below. Now let's talk about the best Marriott credit card to have if you want to earn the most amount of points and save the most amount of money on your future travels. There are a ton of Marriott credit cards that you could have in your wallet right now. I believe there's actually 4 different versions that are available for new applications at the time of making this video. And if you include all the past ones that are no longer available, including the Ritz-Carlton card and a few of the discontinued models, there's something like 8 or 9 different flavors of the Marriott card. At the moment, pretty much any Marriott card with an annual fee is going to be a great option to have in your wallet if you're saving up for that big trip coming up, because there's a limited time promotion going on with both Chase and American Express to earn 10 points per dollar on a lot of great everyday spend categories like dining and gas stations. And the reason why that's so great is because you can use those categories to earn a lot of points while you're not traveling, so when you do want to plan that trip, you've been able to accumulate a ton of points to then offset the cost of your trip. Just make sure that if you have one of the American Express ones, log into your account, scroll down to the Amex offers section, and activate those additional Amex offers. But the real reason why I'm making this video today is because if you put aside all those temporary promotional offers and just look at all the different Marriott cards on their own, there's one card that stands head and shoulders above the others to earn the most amount of points long term. And that card is the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card. If I could only have one Marriott credit card, this one would be it. Let's take a look at the reasons why. First up, you get a whole bunch of value up front from a nice sign-up bonus. Currently, it's 75,000 points. Now, if you're only looking for sign-up bonuses, the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card by Chase is a better option. They're currently offering 100,000 points for the sign-up bonus. But again, the purpose of this video is to find what is going to be the best card to keep long-term to earn the most amount of points for your everyday spend. So right now, this American Express Business Credit Card gives you 75,000 points up front, which is enough for one night at a Category 7 property or 3 nights at a Category 4 property under normal conditions. Basically, a nice way to start off your card membership with a free weekend getaway. Second, this card gives you an amazing ability to earn a ton of points long term. Take a look at this. You'll earn 6 points per dollar at Marriott properties whenever you stay and pay on the card, 4 points per dollar at restaurants, gas stations, wireless phone providers, and on shipping. And all of these must be US providers, just to make sure that's clear. And then you'll earn 2 points per dollar everywhere else. And that alone is why I would keep this card long-term over any of the others. Now, your situation, of course, may vary, but I spend a lot more time at home than I do up in the air. And to earn 4 points per dollar on that middle category of restaurants, gas stations, and on my phone bill, those 3 together are very, very powerful. In fact, for a lot of people, that probably adds up to hundreds of dollars of spend on an ongoing monthly basis. Are there other credit cards that are more rewarding in these categories? Yes, of course. But here's the thing, there's no other Marriott credit card available that's more rewarding in those categories. So if you're specifically saving up for a trip, if you know, for example, you're going to Hawaii and want to stay at that Marriott property and you want to use points to reduce the cost of your trip, then the best way to earn those points while you're at home is with this card. For the most part, with any of the other cards, at best you can do at home is about 3 points per dollar on dining and 2 points per dollar everywhere else. Now, while that's reason enough for me to keep the card, I'll keep on going and show you the additional benefits that you get with this card. It also comes with 1 free night award each year, up to 35,000 points per night, which is a Category 5 property. So in other words, just keeping the card allows you to get 1 free night every single year just by having the card. There's no spend requirement to meet. You don't have to do anything other than keep the card in a drawer somewhere, and you'll get that free night certificate every time you keep the card and pay the annual fee, which, by the way, is $125. And for those of you who do have a lot of business expenses to put on the card every year, you can earn a second free night award by spending $60,000. The card also provides Silver Elite status, and while that's not the most rewarding tier, it's actually the entry-level Elite status, it still provides you with a couple perks like late checkout and 10% bonus points on stays, which can be a nice little multiplier effect whenever you stay at a Marriott property and want to earn free nights even faster. You also have the option to spend $35,000 on the card over the course of an entire year to earn Gold Elite status. I'll be sure to put a link in the description below showing the benefits you get at both of those tiers. Next, pets, the card gives you 15 Elite Night credits. Another great perk of this card is the free premium Wi-Fi. Now, normally you get access to this only if you pay for it every single day of your trip, or if you have Gold Elite status or higher. So if you don't want to be bothered with that, just keep the card open each year, and whenever you go on your trips, that Wi-Fi fee will be taken off your bill. There are also no foreign transaction fees, so no matter if you travel abroad and use this card wherever American Express is accepted, you won't have to worry about those 2 or 3% additional charges. So when you look at this card as a whole, there is a ton of value to be had here. The value of one Marriott point can vary, so a good average rate that I tend to use is about 0.7 cents per point. That means you're getting on average a 4.2% return on Marriott spend, a 2.8% return on all those middle categories, and 1.4% return on everything else. And as I see it, that middle category is where this card really shines. Again, if your goal is to earn as many Marriott points as possible because you have a specific trip coming up, then earning close to a 3% return on all dining, gas stations, and on your phone bill every single month is really quite valuable. No, this is not a metal credit card, but it deserves a very strong place in my wallet year after year because for only $125, you get access to a ton of great perks. The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card is the ideal card for you to have to maximize your everyday spending at home. That way you can make that trip that you want so badly come even faster. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. I'd also love to know if you agree or disagree with this being the best Marriott credit card to have to earn the most amount of Marriott points long-term at home. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time, and remember, you are great.